Once you have ScreencastOMatic downloaded, you're ready to begin recording a slide of your PowerPoint presentation or whatever else it is you decide to record. Remember, for this assignment, you're just required to record 2 different pieces of media and then put them together with a transition in between. I don't really care if you choose to use your PowerPoint presentation or something else. Maybe you want to create something that you will actually post to your YouTube channel. Everybody here has a Bethany YouTube channel. Maybe you want to post something high enough quality to put on there with at least 2 different pieces of media that you record and a transition in between. Regardless of what you choose to do, you do need to make sure that you record something and use a transition. And I'm going to show you now how to use ScreencastOMatic now, if you have it downloaded on your machine. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to launch ScreencastOMatic. There's a couple of ways I could do that. I could go back to the internet. I could type in ScreencastOMatic into a Google search and then click that launch recorder button. Now that I've installed the launcher on my computer and I've restarted my computer, if I go back to ScreencastOMatic, that launch button is going to work now. It's not just going to give me the downloader. Another way to do it is to click in the search bar on a Microsoft Windows machine and just type in ScreencastOMatic. And that will open up ScreencastOMatic as well. When you open up ScreencastOMatic, the first thing that will show is this background screen. I have a lot of recordings that I've done on here, so mine already shows some recordings that I've made. If you've just downloaded it, you're not going to have any recordings on here, but you will have this button at the top to record. That's what you're going to click. Then you need to select a microphone that's going to work. Usually you could just use the default microphone on your computer. A lot of people have iPod headphones, Apple headphones, that have a built-in microphone. Those actually have a pretty high quality microphone built in that you can use. Otherwise, maybe you have an external webcam that has a microphone built in, or you could just use the built-in microphone on your computer. If you have a Mac computer, your built-in microphone's probably really good. If you have a PC, especially a cheap PC, your built-in microphone's probably not that great. And if you're using a desktop PC, you may not have a microphone at all, and you may need to research some options for how you're going to get sound. My recommendation, though, if you don't have a microphone built into your computer because you're using a desktop PC for this, my recommendation is for you to get a set of Apple iPod headphones that have a built-in microphone right in the headphones. All you need to do with those is put them right in your ears, and the headphone sits neatly near your mouth, so when you speak, it picks up the sound really well. So I've already got my microphone selected. If you click on narration, you can choose which microphone you want. You'll see that I have a lot of options because I do a lot of recording, so I have a lot of different ways to do this. Another thing that you can choose on here is whether you just want to record your screen, whether you want to record your webcam only, or whether you want your screen and your webcam. If I were to select my screen and webcam option, it would show my main screen as the main part of what I'm recording, and it'll put a little tiny webcam in the upper right hand corner. You can choose to put your face in your video, or you can choose not to put your face in your video. It's up to you. You'll notice in my PowerPoint I have this green square in the upper right. That's where I usually put my video if I do a webcam recording over the top of a video. I put a little green square there so I know when I'm creating my PowerPoint not to put any content there, because otherwise it's going to be overlapping where my video of myself will be. That's basically what you need to do to get set up to record with a webcam and a microphone. You also need to choose the size of the screen that you're recording. You can choose a custom size by clicking here, and then you can click and drag which part of your screen you want to record, or you can just record the entire screen like I'm doing. And then if you want to record computer audio sounds, so if I'm working in PowerPoint and I make a mistake and it makes that Microsoft ding sound, like because I wasn't allowed to do something, that's an audio sound that comes through my computer. Normally that's not recorded, but you can turn that on. People who do like streaming of video games, like live streaming of video games through their computer. They have really powerful computers to be able to do that and record it. They will record their computer audio because it will record all the sounds that are being generated by the games. And there's a lot of those videos posted to YouTube, so that's why I bring that up. So make sure you choose what's right for you. You need a microphone, basically, to do this assignment. All the other things that I mentioned, you'll have to choose the size of the screen. Webcams are optional. When you're ready to begin recording, once you have your microphone set up and you can see that your voice is actually tracking on your microphone, you're ready to hit the record button to record. And what's going to happen when you hit record is it's going to give you a little countdown, 3, 2, 1, and now it's recording. So everything that I'm saying right now is being recorded as I'm playing through my screen. And what I will do is I will go in, I will hit this slideshow button, and I would present my slideshow. So whatever I was going to say on these slides, I would say that into my microphone. I would present, I would give all the content, and then when I'm ready to be finished, I can click down here on the pause button, and I can tell it that I'm done. Or if I wanted to start over, I can click the garbage can and say I want to delete all of the things that I've recorded so far and start over. I'm just going to click to be done. And you'll notice now I've got this recording recording number 157. You'll notice that there's all these speaking lines in the background, and I successfully recorded one clip of my video. That's the first thing that you need to do for the assignment for next time. You need to record a clip of video and then another clip of video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to edit the clip that we just recorded and then how to record another clip.